What's up, my beautiful people? You are so welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I am going to be showing you an oil that will save your life. It will save your marriage. It will save your relationship. This oil would give you all the pleasure you have ever deserve. Like, it is really good. Alright guys, so if you want to know what that is gonna be, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video if you do love my video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you're new, and turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you want to buy some natural ingredients, or you just want to check them out, they are all on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also, if you want to ask me some personal, curious, or beauty questions, please endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. Visit my vlog channel too. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. Here I have two types of coconut oil. Alright, so coconut oil is one natural lubricant that anybody can use. Now why I'm making this video for women, it's so we can make use of this organic natural oil instead of going out to look for one lubricant that would leave our vag area itchy and red and very sensitive, and also sometimes leave our vag area very painful. All right, so any of this coconut oil, you can grab it and keep it close by, so you can use that on your vag to lubricate your vag anytime you want to get intimate with your husband, with your boyfriend, or with your partner, or whoever. Coconut oil is the most friendly oil in the history of oil because it's a natural antibacterial and antifungal. It is excellent in moisturizing the skin, and it also locks in moisture onto your skin. Since it's 100% organic, it's going to be very perfect in applying it on your vag when you want to get intimate, because it does not have any side effect. Let me show you how you're going to apply this. Okay, now here I have my cucumber. Alright, so assuming this is your vag, okay, so what you're gonna do is to, when you want to get intimate, you grab your coconut oil. Now make sure to use the tip of your two fingers, and then you rub it through, and also you just lubricate that around and on your vag area, just like what I'm doing. You can see how shiny that place is. So you just do this, but don't do it too long so it does not create any feeling. Alright, so this would help in also preventing you from feeling pain when you're intimate with your partner, and this is also going to prevent bacterial, and is also going to help in lubricating your vag perfectly, avoid pain, and perfect simple organic oil. So grab this close by to you, so you can always use this in place of any expensive lubricants, because we ladies need to take care of ourselves naturally. All right, so that's it. Perfect. So having done this, now you need a natural Viagra. Now this Viagra is just gonna help you. It's gonna give you strength. It's just gonna pull you out of your shell. It's just going to make you be your you, and your partner will be so happy. Like, so happy. We ladies want that, Jerry. I want that, and that is why I made this video, and I'm sharing it to you. You also want it. It is the oil is natural, organic, there is no side effect, and the Viagra is also natural. All right, so the first ingredients: celery leaf. So I got this celery leaf in a local market, and of course you can see it really dirty, so they've not even washed it at all. So now I am going to be washing it to remove all this dirt and dust, and I have to wash that properly since it's something I am going to be drinking. I like to chop off the head because the head seems to be really dirty. So from this part, cut that. I'm going to be transferring this into a blender. The next ingredients: watermelon. I'll be washing the watermelon. And also for the watermelon, I'm gonna be dividing this and I'm gonna be taking just a little piece from the watermelon. Alright, so I love to just cut this way. Now, to make a natural Viagra, the seed and the whites of the watermelon is very important. Alright, so I have to cut it down. Now I'm gonna be transferring this into the blender. Alright, so I love to cut that in tiny pieces to help the blender blend properly. And the next ingredient: ginger. So I've peeled, washed the ginger. Now I'm gonna be cutting that into pieces, and I'm gonna be putting that into the blender. The next ingredient: lemon. And also for the lemon, we are going to be needing just half cut of a medium lemon, and you're just gonna press that into water into this. Then I'll go blend and I'll be right back. Here is my blended natural Viagra for women. So here is my natural Viagra for women, and this is really yummy. Alright guys, so having done all of that, you are set to go. So go have that girl. Go have that girl. Alright guys, so if you do love this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have personal curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also buy some natural ingredients on my website. The link at my comment section, it is pinned down there. Also, don't forget to check out my vlog channel. I need to see you there. Alright, bye guys, and stay strong.